We now add some effects to our render. Here are some essential effects for improving your photo rendering. Sun effect, reflectivity effect, autumn generator effect, analog color lap effect, and fog effect. Consider the sun effect. Sun effect allows you to adjust the sun height, heading, brightness, and size. The sun effect can be applied in photo mode. Make sure that the sun shines through your building, so it could be the main focus of the rendering. The reflectivity effect. Select New Effect. Go to the Word tab. Click Reflectivity. You can specify up to 10 reflection planes in your scene. In this render, you only need to produce a reflectivity of water and glass. However, keep in mind that adding additional reflection planes might cause a slow render. As a result, use a few reflection planes as possible. Any core planar model surface with a given reflection plane in your scene will have accurate reflections. The surface you have assigned, standard, water, glass material, or pure glass material, can use reflection effect. Effect allows you to manipulate vegetation colors quickly. You can use it and bring more variation to the colors, or push the slider on the way to create fantastic autumn landscapes. Select the layer containing the tree you want to be affected. Tree on another layer will keep the original color. Color lap effect. Use the analog color lap effect to tweak color shaders and instantly change the feel of the scene. You can choose your tone by dragging the style and modifying the amount of the tone in your render. Fog is a natural event that may be applied to our project to provide significant results. We can use it to add mystery to the scene. The fog effect allows your design to stand out in an attractive, moody ambience. Click on the New Effect button in the photo or the movie mode. Under the Weather tab, select the fog effect. You can start by increasing the fog density. For fog to create a haze effect, change the color using the color bar. Never forget to save your file, especially Lumion. To save any project, we need to select the Files menu, which can find on the right-hand side. Select Files button, click Save Scene tab, then Save As.